Found a coin and some really cool relics. That is beautiful. That looks like a coin to me. Today I'm back at this cellar hole. I was just here recently, but I'm back trying to cover as much ground as possible before all the weeds and goldenrod grows up high. Last time I was here, I showed you the well that's filled in. And that's right here. The cellar hole is filled in for the most part, but that's right here. It's a beautiful day. I'm working down this little wet spot here. A little spring runs through. And of course, deep in there I found the copper rivet. And there's still some leather on it, which is awesome. I'll get some pictures of this. That's really neat. My next find, I was digging down in there quite a ways, pulling out a lot of this window glass. Do you see it? I was going deeper, and it's actually right here. Complete spoon. That is awesome. It's a huge spoon too. That is too cool. Happy to have that. May have scuffed it up a little bit right there, but it's in these stones here that are stacked up. That's really cool. I am on to my next find, and it's definitely a good one. That looks like a coin to me. An Indian head cent, I believe. Sure is. Awesome. Try to get a date off of it when it dries up. I probably shouldn't have taken the dirt off like that because it removed all the green, but that's alright. It's not in the best of shape, but it's still a coin. That is awesome. Alright, I'm working through this goldenrod, and I'm on to my next find. And it was deep, a lot deeper than I thought. And some kind of brass or copper hook. I have dug a few of these before. I'll have to look into it and see what these are. Pretty neat find nonetheless. I'm on to my next find, and it's a pretty cool one. Down there quite a ways, I'd say over a foot, but I kept finding a lot in there. So far, this piece of coal, which it's quite big. Then there's pieces of plates, pottery, some window glass. But this was my find. It's part of a harmonica reed. But what's cool is there's still some wood on it right here. I'll try to keep it nice so I can get some decent pictures, but I'm not sure it's gonna last. That is really cool. There are some other pieces of it that were in there that I was able to pull out. I've never found any wood on a harmonica reed before, which is really cool. Okay, on to another find. And it was loud. Some more window glass in there, but check this out. I know exactly what this is. Ooh, it feels like it's delicate, but yeah, keyhole right there. That's a beautiful plate. It does look like it's breaking. Yeah, that is so cool. It does look decorative too. Wow. May have hit it a little bit right there with the shovel. That's going to be beautiful when it's cleaned up. Wow. The keyhole plate or keyhole escutcheon. I cannot wait to clean this up and get some pictures. That is beautiful. Awesome find. Another find, and it looks like it's a button. It's tomback for sure. It's absolutely beautiful. Has the dome back on it. Hopefully you can see that. That is too cool. Such a good day. I had an amazing day metal detecting. Found a coin and some really cool relics. I can't wait to get back out again and see what else I could find.